and take a look at the 2018 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, electronic stability control, trailer brake controller, heated mirrors, heated outside mirrors, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.